Hi friends, and welcome to our channel, My Simple Remedies. A drink that will increase your power, boost your energy to the max. Your body would work like a machine and you will never ever get tired. Today, I am sharing my family secret, which obviously is not that easy for me, but I love you guys, so... My mom got married to her second husband a few years back, and my stepfather is a certified nutrition and health expert. He only shares this secret recipe with his clients, and obviously they get it after spending hundreds of dollars. But for family, it's free. In all my other videos, I say share it with others, but for this recipe, I would say keep this as a secret and don't share it, because this drink is an energy booster. You would never need any supplements, multivitamins, whey protein, pre-workout, or any energy-related thing because this drink is the most powerful in the world, and I give you an open challenge on this. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video to support me. Thank you! So the first thing we will be needing is dates, also known as castor. You need to get the best quality dates available in your area and remove their seeds. Around 10 dates are required for this. Remember, next, we need the same amount of cashew nuts like we used 10 dates, so we need 10 cashew nuts. Next, we need the same number of almonds, which is 10. Now, add half a cup of full-fat 100% pure full cream milk and cover this. Now place it in the fridge and leave it for at least 10 to 15 hours in the fridge. After 15 hours, blend this to a paste in a blender or a mixer jar, and we move on to our next step. Now take a pot and add 2 cups of full cream milk. Now add the blended prepared mixture in this milk and mix. Now cook it on low-medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes and keep stirring it to avoid burning. This recipe is so easy, but the long list of benefits make it unbelievable how 1 glass gives you that much power and energy. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of pure wild bees honey. Honey has to be pure. Just make sure about that. Lastly, add a pinch of cardamom powder and we are done. Now turn the flame off and pour the drink in a glass. Now for people who are on a diet or the ones who can't stop eating, could have a glass of this drink with their breakfast. This would help keep them full for the next 10 to 12 hours or even longer, because this drink is very, very powerful. If you are a bodybuilder and take whey proteins or pre-workouts, then replace them with this drink, as you can drink this daily before going to your gym. The girls who feel tired or lazy and they feel sick should also take 1 glass, and even after the first use, their problem will be solved. The newly married couple should also have this drink for good energy. I hope you understand my point. I'm pretty sure the boys have got my point. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, you can only have 1 glass of this drink per day since it's very, very powerful. So 1 glass is enough for 24 hours. And prepare this fresh every time you want to drink it. I hope you guys like this video. You can say thanks for my stepdad because he will be reading all the comments. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Till then, bye!